let me be real with you for a second. If you think you have to pay $30 a month just to create cinematic AI videos, you might be getting ripped off. Because in this video, I'm going to show you a completely free tool that can generate cinematic videos with sound, no watermark. And honestly, sometimes even better than paid tools. And here's the best part. At the end of this video, I'll show you how to turn this into an automated YouTube income system. If you're into powerful AI tools that save time and help you make money, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And stick with me till the end. Because missing just one small step can mess up the whole process. Alright, now let's go step by step. Nice and simple. Even if you've never used AI video tools before, you'll be able to follow this. Have you ever had a really cool video idea, but you didn't know how to film it, edit it, or just didn't have the time? What if I told you, you can just type a few lines, and AI does everything for you? That's exactly what I'm about to show you. Now, don't get me wrong, tools like Grok are actually really good. But here's the problem. You have to pay every single month, and you still get limited generations. And if you're trying to build a YouTube automation channel, you need volume, a lot of videos. So the real question is there a free way to scale this? The answer is yes. The tool we're using today is called Opal. It's a new platform from Google. And here's the crazy part. It lets you generate videos using one of the most powerful models, VEO3, completely free. No limits, no watermark, no subscription. I'll leave the link below so you can follow along with me. Alright, go ahead and open Opal. Once you're inside, you'll see some ready-made templates, but don't use them. I'm going to show you how to build your own from scratch, so you have full control. Right here, click on Create New. Now this is the most important step. And honestly, this is where 90% of beginners mess up. The prompt. A lot of people just type something like, create a video generator, and end up with a broken app. Instead, you want to be very clear and structured. Here's what your app should include. A video idea input field, a mood selector, a visual style selector, a video duration option, and an optional reference image upload. The more specific your prompt is, the better your app will be. And trust me, even changing one sentence can completely change your results. By the way, if you already copied the prompt from the description, drop a comment AI below. I'd really appreciate it. Now paste the prompt into Opal, click generate, wait a few seconds, and boom, your app is ready. Clean interface, super easy to use. Let's test it so you can see how powerful this is. Click Start. Now I'll try a different idea so it's not repetitive. A lone samurai stands in a burning field at night, ashes floating through the air, while a massive shadow creature slowly emerges from the smoke in the distance. Mood, cinematic, intense. Style, dark fantasy, ultra realistic. Duration, 8 seconds. See how simple that is? Just describe it like you're telling a movie scene. Now, once you hit submit, what's happening behind the scenes? The app will automatically optimize your prompt. Send it to VEO3. Render a full cinematic video, all within seconds. And here's the result. A fully animated video with lighting, motion, and sound. And no watermark. You just created something people normally pay for. Completely free. Let's try one more example to really show the power here. Idea. A futuristic hacker sitting in a room filled with floating holographic screens, data streams moving around, neon lights reflecting on their face. Mood. Mysterious, high-tech. Style. Cyberpunk. Hyper-realistic. Duration. 8 seconds. If you have a reference image, you can upload it to guide the visuals. And the result? looks insanely cinematic. So yeah, now you see it. This tool can do everything paid platforms do, but it's free, unlimited, no watermark. Now real quick, I want to be honest with you. I've tested a bunch of different methods, and right now, Opal still doesn't fully support downloading videos directly to your computer, but don't worry. There are still ways around it. If you're using something like IDM, it might be able to detect the video and let you download it easily. Definitely worth trying. If that doesn't work, here's what I recommend. Take the exact prompt you just created and use it in another tool that supports video export. I actually have another video where I show you how to create AI videos completely free using tools that let you download the files. Step by step. Super simple, and it guarantees you'll always be able to save your videos for YouTube or TikTok. And if you know any other way to download videos from this, drop it in the comments. I'd love to check it out. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button so I know to make more content like this. And if you want to build an AI-powered YouTube channel that actually makes money, go ahead and subscribe to JACKY AI Flow. Drop a comment below and let me know how your results turned out. I read every single one. If I was able to do this, trust me, you can too. And you'll probably do it even better. Thanks for watching till the end. And I'll see you in the next video.